Hey guys, so welcome to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to fix a Discord stuck on starting. So guys, if you ever encounter this kind of issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the task menu down below, and then go ahead and go for the task manager. Here on the task manager, you could just simply select a Discord over here, and you can just simply right click on it and select and task. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord again by just simply right clicking on it and make sure to run it as administrator. So go ahead and select on it, and from here a pop-up window will show up. Just simply select yes, and you should be able to have a working Discord. Now, if it doesn't work, you could just simply uninstall and reinstall it. So you can do that by going to the settings first, going to the apps, and going for the installed apps. And from here, search for Discord and just simply uninstall Discord. And once you have uninstalled it, you could just simply go back to Microsoft Store and just simply download the Discord again. Pretty much you should be able to install it over here. And once you have done that, you should be able to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.